What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to remove a steering wheel of a Kenworth T680. This semi truck is a 2016, so let's go ahead and get started. It's very easy if you know how to do it. Even though if you don't have the right tools, you can still manage. So let's start with how it looks like first. So this is how it looks like. So all you have to do is tap this right out. It's gonna come out very easily. Little bit of force, and then once you take it out, you're gonna see these two wires, this one and the other one. They go here and here. These are for the horns. So once you take this out, all you have to do is unscrew this. Now I'm putting it back, so I'm screwing this position right here. This position is to lock. Clockwise is to lock, and counterclockwise is to open. So right now I'm trying to just finish locking it into position that I really want, and now I'm locking it. And that's it, guys. Once you take this screw, you can just tap it from just like nicely. I use this because I don't have a hammer or something, and I just hit it like boom 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 from here, and it comes right out. Or you can use the steering wheel puller. You can buy it from Amazon or anything. That's it, guys. I like to make short videos, very easy and helpful. Thank you. Please subscribe and like and share if you think it's interesting. Take care.